Her voice was undeniably sad. Slowly, Mehan replied, 22 drops. What? 22 drops only? Hello everyone. Welcome to Arkham the Creation channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to hear a small science fiction story. For this, we are going to take a time travel to 35 years ahead in future. Are you ready for the travel? Come, let's take a ride together. Act now, live longer. Date 22nd March 2055. Meha, did you finish the given work? Mohilini questioned Mehan. By taking away his microscopic goggles, Mehan replied, No, Mom. His voice was very low. What are you doing all this time, Meha? I hope that you are following the procedures as I mentioned, said Mohilini. Her voice was undeniably sad. I can see nitrogen, carbon dioxide in the air, but the level of oxygen and hydrogen are very low, said Mehan with a tint of sorrow in his voice. Okay, how much have you collected? Slowly Mehan replied, 22 drops. What? 22 drops only? What are you saying, Mehan? How will this be enough for us? In some time, your father will reach home. Your grandmom is waiting long time for water. How long we are going to wait to drink water? We all are already very thirsty. Please keep trying as per the procedure. You have to add 2 hydrogen with 1 oxygen atom. I hope you remember the procedure. Mrs. Samudra, who was sitting in the next room, was hearing to their conversations. She started to feel heavy in her heart by seeing her daughter-in-law Mohilini and grandson Mehan with their oxygen backpack struggling to generate water from the air. She broke into tears, but she did not wipe the tears which was flowing through her cheeks. She turned her face and stared through the windows, where only skyscrapers were to be seen, with no sight of greenery. By then, she was lost in her thoughts. We forgot to save the water in our younger days. Due to our carelessness, we didn't save nature. Now, our next generation is facing such a worse situation on their day-to-day life. Now it's too late. Yes, it's too late for their situation. March 22nd is considered to be World Water Day. Every year, the quality and quantity of the water is drastically reducing due to the unchecked usage without any consideration for the future. Even though our world is covered with 71% of water, only 1/3 is usable for all the living beings. We have to be aware of it and save the nature for our future generation. Future generation is not only the human beings, but also all the living creatures in this world. We should think and act responsibly now to save our nature for our future generation. Yes, we have to act now to live longer. Thank you. If you like this video, please do share, comment and subscribe our channel. For more videos, please visit our channel, Arkham the Creation. We will catch up on our next video. Until then, stay safe. Bye-bye.